Jeez, you did do a good job. I'm pretty sure those are my overalls.
Just a minute.
Okay, well, Tawny can just give you a copy of hers.
Wait, no, I want you to take it.
Okay.
What am I doing?
Just give him a love.
Hi, honey. I always wanted to. What are you doing here? Well, I just dropped by to talk. Did you pee your pants? Did you really not know
And Grandma, you know the best part? I got it all on camera.
Oh, I can't wait to